Hello, I'm Rob with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Today we're introducing two new products. It's the Easy Speedy Zero Clearance Fence and Table Insert. This so happens to be for the DeWalt DW708. There'll be a link to the description below for these two products. We'll get right to it. To speed up the video, we went ahead and removed the table insert bolts, which we will be reusing for this zero clearance table insert. You'll want to start all the bolts before you torque them. Get all of them in, get them started. Now that's installed, we're going to go on to the zero clearance fences. We've got the left fence installed. We're going to install the right fence. We left this one off to show you something that some of you might run into, some of these challenges that you might run into. If your fence, upper fence, is sitting back from the lower fence, you might have to space it out with putting some tape on here. Once you get that spaced out, it allows this to slide. Once it's torqued, the fence is tightened on the upper portion here. Sometimes the lower fence is back, but in this case, this particular saw, the upper fence sits back a little bit. You also want to make sure once you have done this taping, this shimming, that this fence is sitting perpendicular or square or 90 degrees to the table. We've already checked that already, so we're going to go ahead and just install this, and then we're going to move on to adjusting it to the blade. I'll go ahead and torque this. And I'll go ahead and set my right fence. I usually touch and then slightly pull it back. And then torque it and then check it. Still hitting a little bit there. Pull it back just a little bit. And then we'll set my left. And there we go. We're making it easier with Custom Fabricating Solutions. Thank you very much.